Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to YPV Adventurers. Today's day is November 25th, 2021 on a Thursday. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Stay safe out there and fish on. Well, today I'm back here at New Hogan Lake for some more striper action. As you know, I love using those Joe Show's fishing flies. And stay tuned for updates, guys. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a lot of fun today. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Strip it through. Check it out. Ooh, the nice one. The good 1920. Three short strike. I missed. I felt a tug. Oh, again. There you go. Fish on. Woohoo! Over here. A lot of them. Oh, a big one. Ooh, look at that. It's a nice big one. Oh! Woohoo! Yeah, the monster. Oh, check it out, guys. Look at that nice fat one. Woo! Nice one. Fish on. Woo! Fish on! Check it out. 16 and a half. Fish on, guys. Check it out. Nice little 16. Nice little 16. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Oh, the big bass. The giant bass, guys. Ooh, check it out. Nah, that's a nice chunky largemouth bass. Yeah, nice. Nice big one. Fish on. Yeah, check it out. Nice one. 17 inch at least. 17 inch. Oh, fish again. Oh, nice one, guys. check it out. Looks like a little nice 18-inch. A nice little 18-inch. I'm gonna measure it. Yep, exactly 18-inch. Correct, exactly 18-inch. It's a nice little 18-inch. Oh yeah, 18-inch stripper, guys. Check it out. There you go, fish on. There you go, fish on. Check it out, guys. A good 18, yeah, nice 18. Fish on, guys. Nice. Then another 16-inch one. A nice one, another 16-inch. Fish on. Ooh, check it out. It's a nice 21, 22 inch. Nice fatty. Nice, nice, nice. Fish on. Oh, check it out. Yeah, another little fatty 16. Fish on. Oh! Oh! Oh, another big bass. Ooh, look at that. Check it out. Another fat bass. Damn, nice big largemouth. Woohoo! They're stacked right here, brother. They stacked right here. Now. Ooh, another largemouth. Hey, I think these are all bass, the big ones right here. Bro, check it out. Ooh, another big fat mama. Nice big old largemouth. Woo! Fish on, guys. Check it out, another 16-inch. Fish on, guys, fish on. Check it out, guys. Another 16, 17 inch. Fish on. Check it out, guys. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that's a nice, beautiful, I say 23, 22, 23 and a half. Nice striper. Fish on. Oh, another big bass. Oh, check it out. Another fat giant bass. There's so many bass today. There you go, fish on. Another 16 fatty. Woo! Fish on. Oh yeah, small little guy. Fish on. Check it out, guys. It's another beautiful 18, I say 18 inch. It's a little fatty 18 inch. It's a lot of striper, guys, a lot of striper. Fish on. Fish on. There you go, fish on, guys. Oh, fish came off. Fish off, guys, fish off. Oh, there you go.
There you go.
Got him.
Right there, look at that, man.
Got him. He's up there 10 feet, 12 feet. Perfect size, 18, 17. Woo. Nice little fat one. Yeah, you guys did good today, man. A lot of fish you guys got. Oh man, check it out, guys. They did pretty good today. Look at that. Look at all that nice size striper. Man, look at that cooler too. Woo!
20 fish.
All right, let's see.
20 fish.
Yeah, see that? They letting it out, guys. Yeah, they got some nice striper.
Yes, sir.
It's an awesome day today for them guys.
It's Thanksgiving.
All catch and release. Yep, all catch and release, man. They did good too. There you go. 3 Asian on the little tiny 10-foot boat with all the fish too. Check it out. Yeah, we're nearly faint.
When the fish are biting, we got a small ass boat with 3 guys.
Look at that.
And all the fish
In the cooler.
and